Hi everyone. We got this dog advent calendar for Sandy. Sandy, what's this? What's this, Sandy? Sandy, what's that?
So that's the place.
What is it, Sandy? Sandy, come on. Sandy wants it. She's checking it out. Look at that. It has a day 1 and a day 2. Uh-oh. Here comes her friend to come open it for her. Sandy, sit. Sit, Sandy. Let's open up day 1. We got this at Trader Joe's. Sandy, shake. Good girl. Okay, let's open up number 1, Sandy. Sandy, shake. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, let's open up number 1 for you. Number 1 says, a new ball for the beach. What is it? Sandy can't wait. What is it going to be, Sandy? Ooh, Sandy. It's a little treat for you. Let's open it. Let's open it. Ooh, let's open it. Yes, let's open it. Sandy, could you speak? Let's see, speak. Good girl. Let's open that treat. Let's open that treat up. Okay, let's open it. Yeah. Oh, this is hard to open.
You want scissors?
No, I got it. Ready? Oh, no, Sandy. Whoa. What's that?
Oh, Sandy
Oh,
likes it.
she's eating it. She's eating this. It's the healthiest treat I've ever had. All natural. Come on, don't do that. Oh.
And 2?
Sandy loves it. So every day we're gonna open up 2 because you're just that special, okay? Instead of 1 every day, let's open up 2 every day. Okay, here comes another one. Get ready with this one, Sandy.
Can I open it? Sandy wants another one. Ow.
Oh, that one says a play date with Quacks, and it has a little tiny. Oh, it's a new treat. Bang.
Good enough.
Wow. She's going crazy for her doggy treat.
Ew, it smells horrible.
I know she wants more. But tomorrow, okay? Because if not, it's too much salt and your body can't take that much salt. She's like a little depressing.
I did crying.
We are back with the calendar. Let's see if Sandy is interested. Oh, it's your time for your calendar. Yeah, you remember? Sandy, high five. Good girl.
Shake.
Okay.
Big. Big. Big.
Go, Sandy, bang.
Big.
Good girl.
I'm to open up this another one. I accidentally ripped it. Sandy. Shake. Good girl.
Want to put it in the box so she'll take it out?
Yeah. Sandy. Speak.
That means yes. Open that. So you're ruining it.
Okay. I really like that treat. Yeah. It's really cute. Sammy, good girl. You're such a good girl. Ah, sorry, you're putting your repeater up. Hey, Rick. Rick. Rick.
Okay, well, we'll see her tomorrow for her next treat. All right, Sandy, it's time to share your new treats from your calendar. And we're realizing that we can't get through all the days, or probably the store's gonna stop selling this. So after today's treat, we're going to upload the video for you guys that you're watching right now, and we'll continue on giving Sandy her treats each day. But now she's getting so excited for her calendar.
Wait, There's only one treat.
Oh, and I don't know about your dog. If you have a picky dog like ours, our dog is super picky. She's really liking these treats a lot.
Ah.
Maybe we gotta toss it, get her excited.
Ew, smells horrible.
Okay. Maybe smaller. Our dog likes her treats super tiny. You know, maybe her hoodie. She's saying, "My Sandy's making me feel weird."
Do you think I should take off the suit?
We're just gonna take off her little suit because we were just trying to make her look cute for the video, but she's not feeling comfortable to eat in it. She's really picky and she has her own little ways of doing things. Right, Sandy? Here you go. You want your treat? There you go. There you go. Uh-oh, this is the first treat she didn't eat from the calendar. So what was this, day 5? Day 5. Oh, is this the unlucky number? You don't want to eat it? Sandy, ready? 1, 2, 3. Let's see if she'll eat it. Okay. Let me just want to have a little chase. Try it again.
Hey. Oh, too far.
Sometimes she does this thing too where she doesn't want to eat close to us. I think she tries to hide her food that she's in the wild.
That's right, pushing the treats under the couch.
Yeah. So, our dog is a little picky. She likes her treats tiny, her food tiny, and sometimes she doesn't like it even eat it in a bowl. She likes you to slide the pieces so she can chase it.
Candy. What's that?
It's like she's tap dancing.
You got it.
You want to make her guess what she had again?
Yeah. Send me up. Okay. Wait, remember we always put the treat inside the sock?
Oh, you can put it under the flap. See if she'll get it under the flap.
See?
Send.
Look go. Drop. Sandy.
She got it.
That's because I lifted it up a little. High five.
I wonder if we left home and we left the calendar out when we came home, would she have this calendar all straight up? Right, Alana?
Mm-hmm. That's funny. Up, up. Sorry, she's not like a normal person. She can't spin in the air or do a backflip. Actually, some dogs can actually do backflips. A treat on your back, Luna. There's a treat on your back. Yeah, okay. Ready? Up. Up. Ah!
I forgot to see how much this is. How much was
It was
it?
$5.
$5. $5.99 or just 5?
Just 5.
I'm pretty sure it was just 5.
I noticed that there is a big square, and I already took a little peek, and I know it's gonna be a giant treat. I'm trying not to rip the picture because I like it.
No matter how big it is, though, we have to break it up small, or else our dog's not interested, right?
Yeah.
We get her bones and different sticks to chew on from the store, and she's not doesn't.
I think there's mainly 3. That's it.
Whoa, that's huge! That's the jackpot.
Wait, can I have half?
It's a great thing. It's not like a bone, right? You can break it.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
But the only bad part of
they smell.
these treats, they smell so bad.
Oh yes, and some people they really want to know what they're feeding their dog. So what's in these? They are salmon and sweet potato dog treats. And here's everything in there. Guess what, guys? The only ingredient is salmon and sweet potato. My dog really likes salmon too because whenever I eat salmon, she's always begging and I have to give her a little piece. Especially when I eat the cold salmon that you put on your bagels, the lox.